Welcome everyone to Project Protein. I'm Jason Catalano, and on this channel we're all about a high protein diet. For this video, we're going to be going over the Sirius Black #1 protein smoothie, which is going to have some blackberries, some chocolate, espresso, and some robust or blackstrap molasses. Alright, so just give a bit of an overview for this particular protein smoothie. Really good breakfast smoothie. Mostly it's a blackberry and some darker, richer type of flavors. Comes in at 427 calories, about 50 grams of protein, so not too bad on the calorie scale. And for me at least, I just like to think of it, like I said, as blackberry, and then think of like espresso, chocolate, some molasses to sweeten it up. And it really is just a lot of deep, dark type of flavors, just like Sirius Black from Harry Potter. Very serious character, obviously. Kind of a deeper, darker type of character. So with that, you get some blackberries here, which the blackberries definitely provide good antioxidants, some other good vitamins and nutrition. It's a very, very well-known berry. It's not quite as sweet, so we're also going to have the molasses here to kind of balance out the sweetness. This one's a little bit more of a blackstrap molasses, so it's not quite as sweet, but it does give a little bit of extra sweetness and a lot of depth of character for the flavors. Next, we're going to have some chocolate jello here, which is going to help thicken up the entire smoothie and give just a hint of some chocolate flavors, which really go well with the espresso here. The espresso also giving some energy. It's also going to give some really kind of nice background supporting flavor all the way throughout, and it really complements flavor-wise the molasses, the blackberry, and the chocolate. So with that, let's make it. Alright, so first reaction flavor-wise is definitely the blackberry is the main flavor, and it's definitely kind of just blackberry that just kind of molds right into, the sweetness here brings out the blackberry a little more. It's not quite as tart, so it definitely counteracts the tartness there, but the chocolate, the espresso, the molasses kind of all combine together, and that blackberry just kind of comes down right into that flavor combination. And they complement each other really, really well. It's deep, dark, it's just rich, it's got some good thickness to it, and if you're a blackberry type of fan, you're not going to get as much tartness in this one, but if you like those deeper, darker, if you like a stout or a porter or something like that, this is going to be a perfect type of smoothie for you in the morning. Deep, dark, especially in the wintertime. This is a perfect wintertime type smoothie, and it's one that I know Sirius Black himself would definitely approve of. Thanks for staying tuned all the way to the end of the video. I definitely appreciate it. Smash the subscribe button if you want to get more high protein recipes like this one. And let me know your comments down below, what you think about this recipe, what you would change, what maybe Sirius Black would have done with this. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know other type of videos you want to see on the channel. I'll make them for you guys. Thanks.